Greetings YouTube and welcome back to my car. So today I'm going to drive to Castle Bannerman. It is a castle in mid-state New York-ish, like 75 miles from here. I am hoping to fly my drone around it to take pictures of it. It should be beautiful. It looks really cool. The castle burnt down like twice, once in the 20s and once in the 50s or 60s. So let's get on the road. I'll see you there. After about an hour and a half, an hour 36 minutes-ish, I got to the place. And this is how it looks from the car. It's really pretty out here. And now I'm going to try to walk all the way to the train station, to the bridge, and from there I'll fly the drone over to the castle. Wish me luck. Okay, so lifetime update. I got a promotion at work, so that is great. The problem is the unholy amount of work that they gave me now. But the good thing about it is that I am now moving to Norfolk. I love moving from place to place, and being stuck in New Jersey for about 2 years is really starting to crush my soul. I'm really excited for this move. It's going to take me across the country to a brand new land that I've never been before. Well, I have been on the ship, but it was only for a few hours, but that doesn't really count. So I'm back in my car, on my way home. I hope to see you in my next adventure. Have a great day.